jobs we know. A is for artist, painting all day. B is for baker, making cakes, hooray! C is for chef, cooking yummy food. D is for doctor, making us feel good. Learning jobs as easy as can be. E is for engineer, building things tall. F is for firefighter, answering the call. G is for gardener, planting every flower. H is for hairdresser, giving you a shower. Let's keep going. Letters and jobs, how fun is growing. I is for inventor, making something new. J is for janitor, cleaning just for you. K is for karate teacher, kicking so high. L is for librarian, books that make us fly. You're doing great. Learning letters, isn't it first rate? M is for mechanic, fixing every car. N is for nurse, caring near and far. O is for officer, keeping us all safe. P is for pilot, flying in space. Keep it fun, we're learning letters one by one. Q is for queen, leading with a smile. R is for racer, driving every mile. S is for scientist, learning every day. T is for teacher, showing us the way. Almost there, jobs and letters are everywhere. U is for Uber driver, taking us around. V is for vet, helping pets get sound. W is for writer, stories that we love. X is for X-ray tech with gloves above. Y is for yoga coach, stretching so wide. Z is for zookeeper, caring with pride. We've reached the end, sing it again with every friend.